Hey, I hope you guys enjoy this video that you're about to see now. Just make sure that you subscribe and click on the little bell because that's the only way to... Johnny Florimon says, which one is better? What? I was just at a meetup. Some dude was shitting on PHP and said, go learn Python. That's the problem with, you need to ask the person and be like, hey, what exactly do you mean by learn Python? Do you want me to do data science? Do you want me to do machine learning? Do you want me to do what exactly is it that you want me to do? If you're in the web, if your plan is to be a web developer, okay, quote, web developer, then you want to study PHP. Okay. If you want to say, hey, I want to learn programming, I just want to learn the concepts, Python is not bad to start with, right? Python is like Ruby, is pretty easy to start with, okay? But it's an all general purpose language, which means you could use it for anything. Now, if you're like somebody like me who says, hey man, if I can learn all the concepts with any language, maybe, just maybe, I might want to do something that gets me a job as soon as possible. And I'm not competing with every other computer science kid that's out there. Maybe. Maybe. That's the maybe face. Somebody screenshot that. Watch somebody put that as your icon. That's the maybe face. Like, we don't know. Like, I don't live in the maybe. I live on the, hey man, I'm trying to get money. I ain't trying to be out here on a maybe. I don't live off a maybe. I can't go to the bank and be like, hey sir, do you have enough money to pay off your bills? Maybe. You know what I'm saying? Like, can I get a job? Maybe. Are there gonna be like thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of college students going for the same position that I'm going to? Maybe. Now, do you want to be on the maybe side, or do you want to be on the I ain't trying to play that side? You know what I mean?